Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I'm going to be talking about 5 products that I have finished over the last couple of months. And just about whether or not I like them and anything special to note. Just kind of give you guys a little bit of detail over what it's actually like to use them. So I haven't done one of these videos in quite a while, so I thought it would be a good time. I have a box of, I guess, stuff that's just been sitting, empty bottles, because what I like to do is I collect the empty bottles that I use, and then I do one of these videos where I talk about 5 products. I just wanted to keep it really nice, short and sweet, and that way people who are actually interested in the items that I'm going to be talking about can click on the video, and the people who aren't interested can just wait until, you know, I come out with a video that has the item they're interested in. Before I get started, I just want to say, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do. I will put up my Instagram handle over here, I believe, or this side. I think it's this side. But yeah, go follow me on Instagram. I do lots of luxury content, just like my YouTube channel. Luxury content, I vlog on both YouTube and Instagram, so I kind of do like stories up there. So yeah, go ahead and follow me there, because a lot of stuff that happens to me, I kind of capture it in the moment on my Instagram account, and then it's not really reflected as spontaneously on my YouTube vlogs. And a lot of the time I don't really vlog certain experiences that I have. Like recently I went to the Tiffany store and it was absolutely amazing. We had a completely VIP experience because it was my mother's birthday and we were celebrating that, and the Tiffany staff was amazing, and I got it on my YouTube stories, my Instagram stories, but I didn't get it on a YouTube vlog because well, first of all, I wanted to respect the privacy of my family, my mother and my brother, and second of all, it was just didn't really feel right to kind of whip my camera out and kind of have my camera pointing at everything and recording the whole situation, because it would just, I'd really wanted to just feel the moment and really be in the moment. So it just felt a lot easier to kind of snap a photo for Instagram stories rather than doing like 5 to 10 minute snippets of a vlog. So definitely guys, if you're interested in luxury content, and go check out my other videos as well, click on my YouTube channel below, hit subscribe if you haven't, and check out my other videos. I have so many unboxings. I do vlogs of my closet, so you'll see lots of beautiful things. You have lots of eye candy to look at, and if that stuff interests you, definitely go and follow me on Instagram. So without further ado, I'm going to get started on the video. The first product I wanted to talk about is something that is very, very popular, so I'm not going to spend too much time on it, but it is the Sunday Riley Good Genes all-in-one lactic acid treatment. So this is kind of the competitor to the glycolic serum of Drunk Elephant. So Drunk Elephant had this phase where it was just this massive bandwagon that everyone was really, really into them because it was fantastic for pigmentation, for acne, prone skin, and everything like that. And Sunday Riley was the main competitor to that. So this was a really, really popular product for a long time, and I think the popularity's died down a little bit now because you've got a lot of other brands coming out with amazing stuff, so that's got a lot more competition now. But I finished this bottle completely. I really like it. This is the second time that I'm actually using this product. So long story short, do I actually recommend it? 100% yes. The reason, well, I should also add, I should also answer, do I recommend this over the Drunk Elephant? Which of the two do I prefer? And I'm not going to lie to you, I actually prefer the Sunday Riley one. For me, that's because with the Drunk Elephant one, it is a really lightweight serum. So to me, it really kind of just is one-dimensional in terms of its function, because it's a really, really thin, watery texture. So when you put it on, it just kind of gets on your skin, and it feels lightweight, and it disappears completely. And so when it disappears, it doesn't feel like it's on there, which is fantastic for some people. Some people might really like that. But for me, it meant that I needed to take another extra step in my skincare routine, which is to add moisturizer, because my skin just didn't really felt moisturized. This one, on the other hand, is a thicker lotion texture. So rather than a watery texture that the Drunk Elephant one is, the Sunday Riley Good Genes is a lotion texture. So when you put it on, it actually has, it doesn't say that it moisturizes, but on my skin it actually feels like it's moisturizing. And I did test it out one time, and I remember I went to sleep without a moisturizer, and I had a very specific dry patch of skin. I put this on, and obviously regardless of the texture, when you put any liquid on, those dry patches disappear. I didn't put a moisturizer on that night, and I woke up the next day to test it, just to see what happened to that dry patch, if it came back, and it didn't. So this does actually moisturize your skin. It's probably not going to be as moisturizing as a purpose-built moisturizer, something that's actually for moisturizing, but it does moisturize. And to me, I think in this day and age, you know, where we're kind of trapped at home and, you know, where it's lockdown, coronavirus and whatnot, I think a lot of people will really like convenience and minimizing the amount of steps that they have to do in terms of skincare, makeup, whatever it is. And Sunday Riley Good Genes, for me at least, definitely took out the moisturizing step. So I actually prefer this over the Drunk Elephant. Highly recommend this product. It's expensive, but it does work. Now, the next product I wanted to talk about is the Elizabeth Arden 8-Hour Cream. I got a sample size, as you can see. It's a really, really tiny, cute bottle, and I tried it out. And long story short, again, I just didn't like it. Problem that I have isn't that it didn't work, it's that the texture is very balmy. So rather than a soft, fluid, very watery lotion or cream, this is actually like lip balm. It's as if you're applying like lip balm on your skin. It's very sticky, it's very thick. It's just not comfortable at all. I still used all of it. It's a completely empty bottle, and unfortunately I just don't recommend it. Yeah, like it's not a great product. I mean, as a moisturizer, I think it did a really good job. You know, I put on a patch of dry skin and it was really good, but a lot of moisturizers can do that, and a lot of moisturizers are designed to moisturize and feel really comfortable on your skin. This one, on the other hand, just didn't feel comfortable. It was just very sticky. It was as if you were applying lip balm on your face, and to me, that's just not nice. The next product I want to talk about is the Lip Sugar Scrub from Dior. It was kind of on my like hit list, my wish list for a really long time. I never got around to using it never got around to buying it because I just had a lot of other lip balms in my collection already. So I wanted to I'm the type of person that wants to finish things that I already have before getting new stuff. So when I finally did get around to buying this, it was all hyped up in my head. And I don't know if that's kind of what contributed to my not recommending this product, but yeah, like I was really disappointed in this product. And unfortunately, you know, quick summary, I do not recommend it because it is a sugar scrub, and the selling point for this product, right, is that it's got sugar granules in it that's supposed to scrub away the flaky skin, you know, the skin that's ripped up on your lips. It's supposed to scrub that away and give you a smooth texture, so like an exfoliation treatment on your lips. And it's sugar because that sugar will melt, obviously. If it was trying to sell itself as a normal lip balm, I think it's fine. I think it works okay. But because its selling point was that exfoliation treatment, you know, that was the bonus to this product, I had to really focus my review and my thoughts on that specific function, and it just didn't work. It just wasn't doing its job properly. I scrubbed and the skin was still there. It wasn't really scrubbed properly. And I couldn't do it for too long, and I couldn't exfoliate for too long because the more I did this, obviously, the more of the lip balm came off. And so eventually, what I ended up with was, yeah, sure, the exfoliation was, I finally got it to a good place, but then I ended up with like such a thick layer of lip balm that I had to get a tissue and like rub that off. It just kind of clashed with itself, and it just wasn't a really good thing, so I don't really recommend this product. I just don't think the exfoliation is necessary. And the next product I want to talk about is Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream. And I absolutely love this. It smells like a banana souffle, and it's amazing. I think it's fantastic. It does the job really well. It moisturizes really well. It doesn't have any like residue on your skin. It doesn't really feel like there's a thick layer on your skin so that your pores are clogged up, that it can't breathe. I have silk pillowcases, and so something that's really important to me is that the formula has to be light enough that it doesn't really affect my sleep, because I don't want to get on the bed and then it's like just sitting on top of my skin rather than soaked in, which means it's like rubbed off on my silk pillowcases. Has to be light enough for that, but heavy enough that it actually feels like it's doing something. So this was the perfect balance between that. I put it all over my face, moisturizing routine, and it was fantastic. It did the job. Really lightweight, but heavy enough that you could feel your skin kind of plump and richer in moisture. So I really, really recommend this product. And it just smells amazing too, so that's always a really good plus. And the last product I have is the Slaai, or Slaai, S-L-A-A-I, Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. Do I recommend this product? I wouldn't say I do, unfortunately. What I actually found when I went to use it is that it just wasn't substantial enough. So I'd put a swab on my skin, so I'd dab a little blob here and a pea-sized amount there, and then I'd like scrub and I'd rub. And then as I scrub, it kind of disappears. Now, it could be because I'm in the shower and the steam, which, you know, then gets onto my face, acts like water and it just eventually washes away, or maybe the heat evaporates it. But this product just didn't really feel substantial enough, in the sense that it just disappears. Like, it just was not something that I thought was working, and I just don't think that a product like this should be doing that. And I understand with Drunk Elephant it's because it uses like organic material, organic ingredients, and so it's all very lightweight, it's all natural, it's all very healthy and environmental and fabulous and fantastic, but I just didn't think it worked in this product. Did it remove the makeup? Yes, it did, but then so does like $2 makeup remover pads from Priceline, or Priceline's Australian, I think. You know, your local chemist, your supermarket. Like, it does the job, but I think when you're spending $30, $40, $50 on brand name products that can do something that a $2 product from a supermarket can do, it needs to have that extra oomph, you know, that X factor in it. And something like this, I would have expected it to moisturize your face, to really feel like it's getting the job done and feel really clean. Like, at the moment I'm using in the shower for makeup remover and just skin cleaning, the facial cleaning, the foaming LeBlanc Chanel cleanser. And so I use like a pea-sized amount on my fingertips, so like that much, and then I just lather it on my fingertips and I put it on my face, and that little bit turns into like a thick layer of foam. And I understand that that's a foaming cleanser, so it's supposed to do that, but my point is, it cleanses, and the thing is, afterwards I feel like my face is so fresh and so amazing and so nice. I've recommended this product in a previous video, so if you want to hear me talk about it, go check it out. But it's incredible. It feels amazing on my face. This one just felt like there was nothing on my face. For some people, maybe that's what they want. For me, because I'm extra, I think that that feeds into my product usage as well. Like, I just think that it really needs to have that extra oomph. And this just really did not. It just really disappointed. So I don't actually recommend this product. Alright guys, so that is everything. I wanted to keep my video short and sweet. Also, let me know if you have any video suggestions too. And it doesn't have to be beauty related or fashion related or luxury related. It can be anything. I did a video a couple of weeks ago about my life as a lawyer, as a paralegal and a receptionist, because somebody, one of my viewers requested it as they were in high school thinking about studying law. So hopefully she found that video interesting. And if you're watching, thank you so much for that suggestion. I really appreciate it. And if anybody else has a suggestion as well, or a request, please just leave it in the comments below. I'd be more than happy to do that because I want to make this as valuable for everyone as possible. If you haven't hit subscribe, please do so that you can put in those video requests and stay tuned for exactly what you want to watch. So thank you so much for everyone for watching. I really appreciate your time, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!